Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad and so happy to see you once again in today's new video. So today I'll be showing you the classical trading. The classical trading involves technical analysis, meaning you look at the resistance level, the support level, the uptrend and downtrend. So I'll be showing you all of this today. So I'm inviting you to my private chat and Telegram channel. I post their trading signals. I answer all questions pertaining to crypto trading. I also post their crypto news. So if you'd like to join, I left a link down below. That link down below is a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word money team and then I'll add you to this private chat so that you can be able to join and also make some profit and learn more about crypto trading. So thank you so much for watching this video. So stay tuned until the end of this video and see the results of my trading. And also don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share this video, and also do not forget to subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. So hello everyone once again. So as I said at the beginning of this video, I'll be trading with a classical trading. That means I'll be looking at the resistance level, I'll be looking at the support level, I'll be looking at the inner levels and other patterns in the market. So let's analyze our very first situation for today. So this is the level of support and this is a very steady downtrend. The price is touching this level for a long time. So I'll enter the market for 1 minute with an uptrend because I suppose that there will be the pullback up very soon. So let's wait for the results of this trade and see. So analyzing this, the price pulled back up and this transaction was very profitable. So let me go on. So here I can observe the level of support, and right now price is trending towards this level and there is a distance to this level. So I'll enter the market with a downtrend for 2 minutes here because I think that the price will maybe break through this level and break through it. So let's wait and see the results of this trade. So analyzing this, the price hit this level and then pulled back up, and after that price trended down and broke through this level. So let me go on. So here we can observe the level of support and the price has already broken through this level with very impulsive candles, and now you can see that the price has faded and the green ones appeared. So I entered the market with an uptrend for 1 minute, and I think that there will be a pullback up as usual after the breakout of the level. So let's wait and see the results of this trade. So analyzing this trade, price trended up and I've got the profit from this transaction, and this time was really chosen correctly. So let me continue and find another situation to trade on. So it's another situation and you can observe the level of resistance and the uptrend as well. The price touched this level and then pulled back down, and now price is again trending towards this level. So I'll enter the market with an uptrend for 2 minutes and wait for the results of this trade. So analyzing this, after they pull back down, the price trended upwards and I've got the profit from the transaction during this 1 minute. And I think in the future this level will be broken through, but let me go on. So looking at this, price broke through the level of resistance and you can see that it's now impulsively trending upwards. So I'll enter the market for 1 minute only with a downtrend, and right now price is already fading out and I'm sure that a retracement is very possible now. So let me wait for the results of this trade and see. So analyzing this, the pullback down occurred and I've got the profit from this transaction. So this time was really chosen correctly. So let me go on. So here is a level of support and there has been a very good down trade. Price hit this level and then pulled back up and is now moving in this range. And after some time, there was a reversal. But now price is again trending towards the level of support. So here I'm entering the market with a down trade for 2 minutes and wait for the results of this trade. So analyzing this situation, after the flat zone, the trending down resumed and I've got the profit from this transaction. So let me go on. So here you can observe the level of resistance, and lately there has been a very steady movement up. So the price has hit this level and now it is the flat zone. So here I'll enter the market with an up trade for 2 minutes because I think that in the future the price will be trending up and there can be the breakout of the level, because the price has the strength to go up here. So let me wait for the results of this trade and see. So analyzing this trade, after the flat zone, they pull back down, the trending upwards resumed and there has been the breakout of the level and I've got the profit from this transaction. So this time was chosen correctly, so let me go on. So I scrolled back to 2 hours ago on the charts and I've set the level due to the values and returning to the current trends. And here you can observe that there has been the steady down trade. Price hit this level and then pulled back up, and also after that the red candle is showing up. So here I'll enter the market with a down trade for 2 minutes, and I think that price will be trending towards this level and break through it. So let's wait and see the results of this trade and see. So analyzing this, after the flat zone there was a pullback up, but then trending down resumed and I've got the profit from this transaction. So this time was really chosen correctly, and you can see that in situations where the market can vary a lot, some are similar and others are different, and so now you can see that there has been the breakout of the level and the price has the strength to go down. So I'll enter the market here with a down trade for 2 minutes and wait for the results. So analyzing the situation, the moment was quite dangerous, but there has been the breakout of the level and I've got the profit from this transaction. So let me go on. So this is a level of support and there has been a very steady down trade. Price pulled back up and then price is in the range and it's now trending towards the level and it is squeezing this level. So I'll enter the market with a down trade for 2 minutes and wait for the results of this trade. So analyzing this, the price trended towards this level and I've got the profit from this transaction. So this time was really chosen correctly. So let me go on. So this is the same currency pair after a while. Price broke through this level and impulsively went down and after that price is fading and green candles are appearing. So here I'll enter the market with an up trade for 1 minute, because after one way movement there must be a retracement happening. So let me wait for the results of this trade and see. Analyzing this trade, price got into the retracement zone and I've got the profit from this transaction. So this time was really chosen correctly, and now my balance is $2,500, and I think I'll open the last trade for today. So here there is a very steady down trade, and this is the level of support at the bottom. So here I'll enter the market with a down trade for 2 minutes. And I guess the downtrend will be reaching to the level of support, and the time is with the margin in case of a flat zone or a pullback upwards, and then downtrend will resume. But let's wait and see the results of this trade. So analyzing this trade, there was a flat zone, but then trend downwards resumed, and I've got the profit from this transaction again, and this is a positive result, as you can see. And right now you can see that the downtrend has resumed and it's reached the level of the support, but I think there will be a pullback very soon. But I think I will stop here because my balance is $4,200. So this is the end of my trading for today. So as you saw, the situations in the market kind of vary. Some can be similar and some can be different, but they all are applicable with technical analysis, meaning you need to know the resistance level, the support level. You need to look at the movement up and the movement down before opening a trade. So I hope you really like this video, and if you have any questions, I'm inviting you to my private chat in Telegram channel. I left a link down below. That link down below is a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word money team, and then I'll be able to add you to this private chat, and you can be able to ask any questions that you have, and I'll be able to answer all of them. And also, if you have any questions and you have any comments, also you can be able to send them to me in my private chat. I'll be able to reply to everything. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, don't forget to share this video, and also do not forget to hit that notification button and be notified when there's a new video up. So until next time, bye.